JGB and an excavator. Let's see a digging. Oh wait, it's a wheel. This wheel the excavator. They are made gigging at school. Let's see. Oh yeah, look here. Oh yeah, yeah. JGB a wheel and the excavator. Let's see. Oh, a cab. JGB wanted to the center. And the excavator wanted to the western. A boom. JGB wanted and the excavator wanted to bend like a bend.
Bend?
Yeah, you see bend right here.
That is boom?
Yeah, right here. You see that?
Yeah. And what is the next difference?
Oh, look. The engine.
Engine?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the difference?
In a JGB up in the Volga bucket. And the excavator up somewhere else. Right here.
Where?
Right there.
Okay.
Oh, wait, a Volga bucket. What? See this?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
It's a Volga bucket.
Okay.
And you see in the excavator, it's no excavator.
No that?
Yeah, but the JGB can move that way and that way.
Okay.
And the excavator can move, spin around.
Spin around?
Yeah, right here,
Where?
down here.
Oh, this can move around?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Quickly? Okay.
Oh wait, you here. I something else I didn't hit. Yeah. Wait, I forget. Well, eight. Something else I didn't. Here, a dog bone. This is like this.
Dog bone?
Yeah, this is the excavator. JGB got both. It's one.
Okay.
Oh, now that's not double. The big is the JGB got bone is.
Okay.
And the excavator, come on. Like 2 8-way finger.
Okay.
And this gives you a kick.
Okay.
This is the a piston.
Piston?
Yeah.
Okay.
The excavator going out there.
Excavator don't have piston?
Yeah, it's going out face.
Okay. 2 1.
A mug dog. A mug.
Okay.
The excavator going out there.
What is this? What is this called? Where the driver sit?
In a cab.
Cabin?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a weird kick right there.
Okay.
Big guy. Now, big is bang.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What is this?
A breaker.
This is
A breaker.
breaker. Okay.
Break rock.
Break rock.
That break hot material.
Okay.
Like rocker can make a bit.
Okay.
Well, this is exactly right here.
Yeah. How to use it?
Look, the excavator moves its bucket,
Bucket to remove.
move, and it takes you something else, like a breaker.
Okay.
These are a construction vehicle. This is how a JGP and the excavator works. The excavator is good for digging,
Okay.
and a JGP is doing digging and plucking.
Okay. Digging and
Plucking.
pushing. Okay.
It's a JGP. And the digging is the excavator.
And what are the other type of construction vehicles?
Well, doing all the work.
So now one is JCB, one is excavator. Then what are the other types of construction vehicles? Is there more construction vehicles?
Yeah, keep so many.
So many,
a
like?
forklift up there.
Okay.
Come here.
Dump truck. Yeah, dump truck, and then
Anything excavator.
okay,
You see? So a backhoe.
backhoe, and
It's so much up there.
so many.
Yeah. This is where he. This is like no also a bucket up there. You will. You eat and die. This is what it looks like. An excavator.
How it work? How the bucket work? Okay. What is this?
A piston.
Piston.
And lightweight. And a dog bone. No, it's lightweight. And B, the dog bone. And the excavator. The gig.
How it dig?
I bet some.
Show me.
A piston on it. The lightweight. Above.
Okay.
The state like a transfer like an egg. Above.
Okay.
You don't have a big finger.
Okay.
These are the dog bone.
Dog bones.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not to do a stick and the lightweight.
Okay.
When we see it here, this is a pond.
Okay.
It's like really hold it. Come on, Abba. You cannot see up here. Inside the excavator, there's a pond. Let's put the engine fluid, my gas oil. We get it to small tube.
Okay. Tube. There are small tubes.
Yeah.
Okay.
We go up, we can see it. Up. We can get up here. Excavator. There's a pond.
Okay.
With the engine fluid. We get it to small tube. He's so many fish. It looks like engine oil. We get it.
Okay.
More tube of nesting. There's the engine right here.
Okay.
This pond is nesting. This thing is nesting to the engine.
Okay.
This is right up here.
Okay.
Right here is the engine. I joy spin. You can see it. Look, it's a toy. And these handles is draw. It's jack, Abba.
Okay.
You pull back. This is pull backward, like this. So, pull one, he put the handle one.
Okay.
So back, he put a handle back right here.
Okay.
See this? So one side forward and one side back, like this.
Okay.
But you don't use a jack to do it. You can bring out just like this.
Okay.
Excavator book and door right here.
Parah.
Right, always you move. Yeah, this is JD. See a black one on the excavator. One, but the JD, like a big skinny one. And that big guy did. Other, take it. This is an inside spicy. This is where the engine is, Abba.
Okay.
Just right here. You move your camera here. Take here.
Yeah.
Move here. Right here. This is where the engine is.
Okay.
When we get inside, see? This is what it looks like. Abba.
Mm.
It's big, too big right here. And also big right here.
Okay.
And we can see this.
Okay. Okay.
Right here, and wait, not here, Abba.
Okay.
That's right here too, Abba.
Okay.
He's going to. When you see, there's a water bucket on your neck. Go over here, you keep the end. There is a bucket. big arm, a baby arm. It's in a blunt. Up. Come on. Back here. And big is a water bucket in a blunt. No, in a back.
Okay.
This back is where the water bucket is in. Now we can see here a wheel thing. A thingy here. A thingy here. Big boy got here walking away, yeah? I'm starting on. Okay. Yeah, you see the bucket is trapped in right there. It's down right there. Yeah. It's down and deep. Yeah, go deep. What's this deep, okay?
Teeth?
Deep.
Okay.